Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not receiving problem. It's a very simple and easy step. I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. So let's get started. First, go to setting, click the app management and you see all the apps. Then find the WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is here. Click the permissions and I hope you allow all the permissions. Add number and click next. After a few seconds, the code was received. If the code is not receiving, then click the three lines and go to Help Center. And describe your problem. Hi team, I'm facing an issue with the WhatsApp verification process. I have not to receive verification code. After that, add screenshot is an optional. So you can add a screenshot and not. So click next. After a few seconds, the Snapchat provide you a verification code and solve your problem. I hope you understand the video and this video is helpful to you.